Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started. Coming into a child's pose. Open your knees wide, bring your big toes together. Sit your hips back onto your heels as you relax your forehead down onto your mat. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out. Again, let's take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go. Making your way into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Extend your right leg behind you, keeping the toe pointed. Your hips are squared down. Looking down, you have the option to extend your left arm in front of you. Take a big inhale. Exhale, bring your elbow to your knee and crunch. Again, inhale, extend, take your time. Exhale, you crunch. Inhale, extend. And exhale, crunch. Let's extend one more time. Hold it. Bend your right knee. Reach behind you with your left arm, grabbing for either your right foot or your right ankle. Continue to press the crown of your head forward as you engage the core and you kick that foot into your hand. And release it, straighten the leg, reach the arm in front of you and lower it back down. And now we extend our left leg behind us, pointing the toe, hips are squared down. Option to extend your right arm in front of you, reaching forward. Big inhale and crunch elbow to knee. Again, we extend and we crunch. Extend and we crunch. One more time, extend. You're going to hold it there. Bend your left knee, reach behind you, grabbing for that left foot or left ankle. Extend your leg and your arm one more time and lower it down. Make your way into a cow pose, arching the back, looking up. And cat pose, round your spine. Pull your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. Drop the belly low, shine the chest forward. And cat pose, round your spine. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you extend your right arm up towards the ceiling. So I really want you to reach up, open the chest, maybe look up and maybe even reach back behind you. And now thread the needle, lowering down on that right shoulder. Now you can stay just like this, or you can start to extend your left leg behind you, either keeping your toes on the mat or lifting the leg up. Lower your left leg down, bend that knee as you extend your right arm up towards the ceiling, reaching up one more time and lower it back down. And now we lift our left arm up. Remember, I want you to open your chest, maybe reaching back behind you here. And we thread the needle, lowering down onto that left shoulder. And you have the option to extend your right leg behind you, either keeping it low or lifting it up. And remember, if you fall out of these poses, you just get right back in. We're just practicing. There is no need to try to be perfect here. Lower your leg back down as you bend the knee, reaching the left arm up towards the ceiling. And back to your tabletop. Let's extend our right leg behind us again. And now step the foot forward, coming into your low crescent lunge. You have the option to sweep the arms up overhead, maybe tilting your gaze up towards the ceiling, sinking a little bit deeper into the hips, pulling your right hip back so that the hips are in line. Lower your hands down, half splits, shift your hips back, straighten the front leg, flex the front toes. Come into your low lunge by bending your front knee, curl the back toes under, straighten the back leg, and immediately we come into our standing splits. Shift all of the weight into your front leg, lifting your back leg high. Maybe you bring your nose to your knee. Point your toes. And pyramid pose, lower that back foot down. The back toes are facing the corner. Walk your hands over towards your left foot, coming into Skandasana, lowering all the way down into a side lunge. You have the option to take a side body stretch, lifting that left arm up and over. Now let's come into our low lunge, pivoting towards the back of your mat for the left low lunge. So that left leg is in front, and lower that back knee down for your low crescent lunge, just like we did on the other side. Option to sweep the arms up overhead. Come into your half splits. Make your way back to low lunge, curling the back toes under, straighten that back leg. Immediately standing splits, lift your back leg high. Maybe the nose comes to the knee. Pyramid pose, lower that back foot down onto the mat. Walk your hands over towards the right leg, coming into Skandasana, lowering down into that side lunge. So I did my side body stretch with the wrong arm. Just make sure you are using your opposite arm. So you're going towards the leg, towards the foot. And just pivot, coming into your low lunge towards the front of your yoga mat. Step that right foot back for high plank and come into your downward facing dog, sending your hips up and back, taking a few deep breaths. Let's slowly make our way into an upward facing dog. Come into your high plank and slowly lower the hips down, relaxing the toes, maybe dropping the head back. And back into your child's pose. Let's come back up, swinging the legs around in front of you, sitting on your glutes. Take an inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. You can stay here, or you can take your right hand and grab onto your left foot, extending that left arm behind you. You start to lift your left leg. Maybe you look behind you at that left thumb. Lift your left arm up to the ceiling and grab onto that left foot, and we lower down. Now we go to the other side, extending that right arm behind you, lifting that right leg. Option to look back. Lift your right arm up to the ceiling, grab onto the foot, and slowly lower it down. And now let's practice lifting both of our legs. So we're just going to bend our knees, taking our peace sign fingers, we wrap them around the big toes. You can start by lifting one leg and then lifting the other, using your core strength here. Elongating your spine. Maybe you practice closing the legs. Maybe you let go of the feet completely and you're gonna wobble a little bit. Try to keep those legs straight. And boat pose. Let's bend our knees here, still reaching forward. We're almost done with this. And lower down. Let's make our way onto our backs as we hug the knees into the chest, rocking gently from side to side. Extend your legs up towards the ceiling and just start to flex and point your toes. Let's keep the toes flexed as you grab behind your legs, pulling them closer towards your face. And we end class by making our way into a butterfly position and bringing the hands on the belly. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.